Hello, we are excited to introduce a new feature of MCUXpresso Secure Provisioning Tools, aka SCC2, to you. The new workspace interface provides you a quicker way to create secure image for your project with just 6 clicks. Literally, you can now configure the secure bootloader and build secure image for your project in a minute. Here shows how the new interface looks like. You can create a new workspace from this menu and build an image for your application in just 6 clicks. First, choose the workspace location. Second, select the device you're working on. Third, choose your source image. Fourth, choose a security configuration profile. SCC2 provides you some preset options to choose. Fifth, click the Create button to create the workspace. Sixth, click the Build button on the workspace to build a secure image for your applications. Let's get it started. After you launch the SCC2, open a new workspace as usual. Select your workspace location. The selection of connection interface to the target processor is optional at this stage. Now we select the processor that we are working on. In this demo, we use MCX N947 as the target processor. The next step is to choose the source image. I'm using the Blinky example as my source image. Next, SCC Tools provides you some profiles to choose. You can choose the default configuration. That means signed image and encrypted image are not generated. You can also choose encrypted and signed image, encrypted and unsigned image, signed image running on-chip flash or external flash. In this demo, I'm choosing to build encrypted and signed image on-chip flash. Here shows the security configuration preset by this profile. The signing and encryption key will be generated automatically when the workspace is created. Let's click the Create button to create a new workspace for this project. During this time, signing keys and encryption key are generated, and the secure bootloader configuration is set. As you can see, the signing key and encryption key are pre-generated and pre-selected. Alright, we are ready to build the secure image. Click the Build Image button to build the secure image for this project. The image is successfully built. And now you can move on to write the image to the target processor. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.